I feel that sometimes, especially working with big companies, I've also found myself on a mission to demystify data and to help people understand what data really is. And this is something that can sound, as I'm going to say, it's so obvious and banal, but think about the fact that data doesn't exist first. Data is primarily human-made.
Hey everyone, my name is John Penland, and Reverse Engineered is brought to you by Kinsta, a premium managed hosting provider. In today's episode, I'm speaking with Giorgia Lupi, partner at Pentagram. Giorgia, welcome to Reverse Engineered.
Hi, John. It's a pleasure to be here. And hi, everybody.
What does Accurat do, and what's your connection to them today?
In 2011, together with other two partners, we founded Accurat. And we were in our, let's say, mid-late 20s. And so, as in many cases, when you start working and you start being passionate about a topic, and we all were really intrigued about the potential of data to tell stories, to be really honest, we didn't really have a business plan. But I really feel that at the time, and it was in Italy, in Milan, we were really the only company that, besides, I think, probably one or two freelancers, could use data to tell compelling stories.
What was your motivation in making that move over to Pentagram?
When they offered me the partnership, right away, I felt that there was really a great opportunity. And also imagine that, we're in a world where all of us as customers know that the brands and the companies we love and use every day are collecting data about us and from us. And I think that really also something that is very compelling to me at Pentagram right now is to being at the intersection of data, design, and brands.